What's up, everybody? Johnny Mac here. Mini vlog today, Beach Bonfire edition. Our friend John Bissett from Dallas is in town, and we are doing a bonfire on the beach. Should be a lot of fun.
Yeah, I think it's just a
Flat
Seattle
white.
cultural thing.
How's it going?
It's going good now that I brought modern technology.
You're making it seem like he did all the work, though.
Oh yeah, Vinny, how much work did you do?
I did at least like 40%. Dude, I'd give you,
That's good.
give you 60. I'd give you 60.
Yeah.
I heard that there was supposed to be
Digit went back for food.
way more.
All right, everybody's here now.
No.
This is John Bissett,
John B.
and that's Vinny. Vinny, Jess, Jennifer. Everyone knows Jennifer. Yeah, let's take a picture. See you.
Whoa.
There you
boy.
go.
Whoa,
Ready?
whoa, whoa.
1, 2, 3.
Cookie sandwich with marshmallows.
Yeah,
get the heck away from the smoke.
These people right here are burying their friend. We'll go see what it's all about.
We're killing our friend. You cannot document this. We're gonna have to kill you.
It was supposed to be, oh hey, my name is Ronald. I'm from Seattle, Washington. No, I'm not gonna sing a song. It was supposed to be just my legs, but then they got everything. I'm like part sand, part man.
Beach Bonfire is a success. Hot dogs are made. Sunset is happening. What more can you ask for? Seattle is wonderful.